Welcome to today's assembly. Please stand quietly for the national anthem. Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe, Gurna-Kurnai, as the traditional landowners. At this school, we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people who had their own cultural space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurna-Kurnai tribe for the land we are meeting on today.
Because of COVID-19, a lot of stuff has stopped at recess and lunchtime of what we've been doing.
And sometimes the oval is wet and muddy, which means we can't play on it.
And this makes people bored.
It's time to start things up again, but we need to do it in a COVID-safe way.
We're going to need your ideas to help us out how to do that.
Because of COVID, we stopped the sports shed for spreading germs. Want your ideas on how to open it back up in a safe way.
This is a sports shed where we used to write on the sheet like people's names and what time it was and things like that, and then we give them their ball to borrow at lunchtime and snack time so they're not bored, and then they bring it back and we tick their name off so that we have the ball back and safe in shed. And we were wondering if you guys had any ideas about how to get it up and running again for the house captains and you guys to play with all the things. Maybe we could put some equipment in each classroom for you to play with if we aren't able to get the sports shed running. Mr. Hallahan is in charge of the house captains, so we encourage all the house captains and students to talk to him about it.
We want to find out a way to get the equipment outside that we used to have in a safe way. Things like the giant chess.
At the moment, only teachers are allowed to use the scanner because of COVID and germs.
And we were wondering if we have any ideas of getting people back in the library at lunchtime.
It's great that bands has started up again, but we must remember to sanitize before and after going into specialists.
If you have any other good ideas, make sure you talk to the junior school council representatives.
Just a reminder to make sure you're not going anywhere near the tape because we're trying to get the grass to grow instead of all the mud being slippery, and we don't want anyone to slip over and get muddy.
As we're trying to get all of these things started off in the yard again, we've got to make sure we're being safe and being respectful.
Being safe is being kind to each other and not doing anything you shouldn't be, not being silly with each other. Being respectful is to each other, not being unkind to each other, and also need to remember to be respectful to our teachers at all times. Because we are asking students and teachers to stay home when they have a cold or when they're sick, we have a number of CRTs coming to school, and that doesn't mean that you be disrespectful to them. They're just like your normal teachers, and just always remember to be kind to them and treat them how you want to be treated. We also want to make sure that people, when they leave the school, we want them to think that we're good students and we have a great school, and this is somewhere that they can come back to if they ever need to. Otherwise we might run out of teachers.
And being respectful is also sharing balls and asking people to play with them if they have nothing to do.
We'd also like to know some new ideas for music to play at the end of snack and lunch times. Please talk to the arts captains if you have any ideas.
Good afternoon. We're so excited today at Trafalgar Primary School. Miss White, Belinda White and myself, Miss Melissa Marslin, have just had our big, as you can see, our big order come for
First
our
order.
breakfast club. Fresh fruit and apples and oranges, which we've already delivered to the classes, which the kids are so excited.
So this food's all been donated by Food Bank for our Breakfast Club program.
As you can see, we've got a wide range, of breakfast options that the kids can come in and have. We're having a trial run on the
Student-free day on the 10th, so all staff will be coming early to try our breakfast.
We are so excited and the kids are so excited, and
So we'll show you some of the breakfast options. We have muesli, your wheat biscuits, Cheerios. We also will be doing porridge some days. So then the children will also get a selection of fruit to pick from, so they can have these ones or the fresh fruit. Some days we might actually do baked beans on toast some mornings.
and spaghetti
And spaghetti on toast. There'll also be, we have got our larger milk that go for the cereal, but the children can also select a small milk to have as a drink or have water.
We also have care packages for families in need, which are boxes that are already made up, which have a variety of healthy options for breakfast. And we've also got lots of people that are donated, not only from the Trafalgar Primary School, they've brought a snazzy big new toaster and kettles, but local milk and bread which has been donated, which is absolutely
From the community.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're very
excited.
and we hope to
It'll be-
see all the kids and
It'll be running in a few weeks, hopefully.
yeah, awesome.
Hope
Thank
to
you.
see you all there. Bye.
What's on next week? Nothing yet, but it's up to you.
We want to hear your ideas.
Knock knock. Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow.
Have a great weekend.